All right, guys, so we picked up a whiskey smoker set. So for a long time, I have not been using one of these, just kind of piecemeal it together, but I wanted to get an actual set that would actually work. So we're going to look at it together. Super excited to get into this and make it happen. Even got a little bit of whiskey that we're going to smoke up here as well. So let's go ahead and open it up here. Nice packaging overall, definitely digging it. So in this, you got the customer service support. Love that little extra card that they have here. Tells you about missing parts, satisfaction, and exactly how to use it. So you have your torch function, introduction, refilling the torch for butane, 2 methods to use cocktail smoker, and then you have some other details as well there. So let's go ahead and open it up here. Here we go. We have the smoker itself. Boom, just like that. That's pretty cool. So you're going to take and you can smoke it a couple different ways, which is awesome. You have another little filter. This does come with glasses. So you have glasses and molds. Check out these glasses right there. That's pretty cool. Very nice, flat. Going to be really well. Let's see if they spin. Oh yeah, they're going to spin. Those are going to be some cool videos right there. Going to be comparing it against that one. And then you do have your ice containers. You have in here a butane torch. So take a look. I do not know if it has any in there. So let's say we got a lock button or not. See if we got any butane. Nothing in there. That's okay. We can refill that. And then let's open it up. As far as the flavors go, we have one that we can have around our house. We got peach, apple, walnut. We got pear, peach, apple, walnut, oak, and cherry. So that is what we got in this. And let's go ahead and open one of these up. We're going to go with peach because I love me some peaches and see what it's like and give it a little smell. These are screw tops, which I like. Oh, yeah. Smells just like peach right there. Just got a proper smell there. We're going to be utilizing that one in just a minute to make it happen and go from there. Now with this one, I haven't put butane in it yet, so that's something we have to worry about. We're going to go ahead and make that happen. It does take the normal butane, but I'm going to get a torch and we're going to make it happen here, following some directions and smoking one. So can you grab me a torch, babe? All right. All right, so as we look at it, we got another torch out. We're going to be working here. So let's go ahead and see how we make this happen following the directions. So 2 methods of cocktail says put the filter into the wooden chimney, add wood chips to the filter, about half the filter, and then torch the aligned flame. Oh, okay, and then cover it up. That's going to be super sweet. So we can do the right side up version. So let's make that happen. We have a drink here, just like that. So we're going to take and set this on top of it. Okay, this is magnetic. That's kind of cool. Let's drop in some peaches and see. Just a little sprinkle. Okay. How about that? So you'll be able to fill that guy up. I like that there's a nice carrying spot here so you can put everything in. Now what we're going to do is with our torch, again, you can use obviously the torch that they come with, but I haven't put any butane in it. So we're going to take and turn this Ravs on. If you don't have a Ravs torch, check that guy out. Here we go. Boom. Just like that. Check out the smoking factor. This smells fantastic. This smells fantastic. So we're going to let this set. I don't know about you, but it's really up to you on how long you want to let it set and go in here. That's really going to be a personal preference, how smoky you want it. But we're getting a solid smoke on here with it. And you can also take this off if you want to. And you can see it coming away. But man, the waft is unbelievable. Let's go ahead and see what it is. Now, the experience is getting everything in once. So as you let this clear, you smelling it as you let it clear. The drink, check that out. just like that. And then when you take a sip, you should get the nice peachy, earthy. You got, it's got everything in one. So everything is there. I love that. I love that. So you talk about mistakes. Probably shouldn't have drank that all at once. Probably should have sipped it a little bit. I tell you what, I enjoy this. Don't laugh at me. I'm over here showing off this awesome product. Oh, but I love got all that flavor really in there. And I can taste the peach. I can taste all that stuff. That's super cool. So I'm excited. I'm going to do some apple and pear cherry. Gift out the walnut. We can't use any of that, and that's okay. But it has a full set. And this is pretty cool right here. This little piece is pretty neat when it comes from a holder perspective. Just a nice little piece you can put on the counter. So guys, at the end of the day, pretty awesome product. You definitely got to check it out.